Mrs. Sterling's WordPad is a website that I created when I was working on my education specialist degree in the early 2000s. It consisted of several interactive games that were designed for students in grades 3 through 5 to learn how to use Microsoft's WordPad program. I selected WordPad because it was universal and it was free and very basic, and if students understood the foundations of WordPad, they could later apply them on any other word processing program. It consisted of a pre-test where they could test their skills. We had, I had several videos on it. Because the videos were basically Flash videos that had some interaction, and now Flash is gone, I'm unable to actually show the videos to you, but I can show you what the landing pages look like. I used to also have Flash buttons here as well. There were a few games, and these are simple games that were made with a program called Hot Potatoes. So this here, for example, was a matching game. Woohoo! There were additional exercises that students could download and complete using WordPad. Simply download it and open it up, and they were saved in rich text format because, again, that was universal. And then there was a post test that consisted of a hands-on activity based on the student's grade level. And the site operated from the 2002-2003 school year all the way through, I believe, 2020, when Google Chrome stopped supporting Flash. I decided to take it off, and then I know that Adobe stopped supporting Flash the following year. But it was a fun little website that was popular and caught the attention of several website reviewers who considered it to be a solid piece of e-learning designed for kids.